poppin', guys? Welcome to Money Talk, the number one news source, the number one information source, and the number one entertainment source for everything and anything regarding the stock market, the financial world, and the crypto universe. Today, we're going to be talking about a biotechnology stock called Entera Bio. Okay, these guys had massive news coming out, and they have a potential huge short squeeze. Okay, a huge. I'm talking over 400%, guys. Okay. Now, before we get started, guys, I do have a quick favor to ask you guys. Smash the like button, okay? That's one favor. Now I have another favor that's beneficial to both of us, okay? So if you're watching this video on anything other than the YouTube app, guys, there's going to be a button up there that says go to app, visit app, open app, whatever it says. I'm going to put a photo right here, okay? I want you guys to press on that. It will take you directly to the YouTube app. It will make the audio better, the video better, and your complete Money Talk Entera Bio experience a whole lot better, okay? And your view also counts, so it's a win-win type of situation, okay? So with that being said, guys, do that. Now that you've done that, let's get this video on Entera Bio, ticker symbol ENTX, started. So today, guys, with the massive news that came out regarding Entera Bio, ticker symbol ENTX, I'm just going to call it ENTX, okay, because that's quick and fast, okay? It's a lot better than Entera Bio, okay? So the stock went from $4.50 all the way up to $8.30, guys, okay? A high of making new highs at $8.30, all-time highs, okay? But now the stock has been correcting itself since, obviously, I mean, it's kind of unreasonable to think that the stock is just going to go up, right? I mean, you got to expect a dip at one point. And I mean, all these day traders that jump on board and they take some percentages, right? And they sell. So it kind of, there's a correction period, right? And right now, ENTX is kind of going through it at the $6.40 level, okay? It's at $6.40 right now as this video is being recorded. Although I could see it going even lower since it is on a downtrend, since the open market is down almost 20% from all-time highs, right? So I am guessing it's going to end up around the $6 level, okay? And then it's going to find resistance at $6 because that's just like a mental resistance, right? Or support rather. It's going to find support at $6. And then it's going to bounce around there. So what was the news? What was the news that made the stock go up almost 50%, or actually over 60%, but now around 50%? So Entera Bio, guys, they came out with positive news regarding their mid-stage trial of the EB613 for the treatment of osteoporosis. Okay, what is osteoporosis? Osteoporosis is basically a bone disease. Okay, a bone disease that's like people have their structure of their bones are like not really that good. Their bone tissue is not good, and their bones are very fragile. Okay, I'm not a doctor, all right? Before you guys come at me saying what the hell are you talking about, that's basically what it means. Okay, if you guys want to learn more about osteoporosis, go ahead and Google osteoporosis, okay, and a lot of things will come out. So the results showed that subjects receiving the 2.5 milligram dose of the EB613 showed significant dose-related increases in bone mineral density at the lumbar spine, total hip, and femoral neck at 6 months. So this pill that they took, it helped them a lot with their bone density, okay? And that's basically what osteoporosis is lack of bone density. That's what it is. And then it says that participants receiving the 2.5 milligram of EB613 for 6 months also had a significant placebo-adjusted, increasing 3.78% in lumbar spine bone density. And then it says EBM613 had a significant impact on both femoral neck and total hip bone density at 6 months, with a 2.5 milligram treatment group having 2.76% increase in femoral neck and 1.84% increase in total hip at 6 months as compared to placebo. Okay, so it's not placebo, all right? It's not placebo, guys. It's doing a lot better than the placebo would, and it's showing that this is actually real medicine. It's not just a placebo effect taking place. For those that don't know what placebo is when the doctor gives you go to the doctor and you tell him you have a headache, okay, and the doctor is like, oh, really? Okay, I'm going to prescribe you some medicine. And in reality, the medicine is just vitamin C pills, okay? But your body and your mind, when you take the pill, you think that, oh my God, this doctor gave me some crazy medicine and now I feel better, okay? So it's basically fake medicine, that your body just tricks itself into believing that it's real. Okay, and honestly, like, it works. Placebo is real. You know, people like to act like placebo isn't a thing, but if you can build placebo around the medicine, go ahead. It sells, right? I mean, it works, so it should sell. Now, it also states that the company also highlighted that an end of phase 2 meeting with FDA to review the EB613 development program is anticipated in the coming months. This is going to be insane news, guys. This is going to be huge news coming up. I mean, anything regarding, if there's a headline with anything regarding the EB613 and FDA, unless it's they disapproved it or something, okay, of course, but anything with FDA approval or FDA team meeting with EB613 and Entera Bio, that being on the title, okay, that being on the title of the news is going to be huge for the stock. That's another huge news break, okay. And then let's continue reading. It says Entera had announced the 3-month bone biomarker data analysis from the study where EB613 met the main goal in March. That is amazing. Okay, so this company is on the right track of doing everything. Now, let's talk about why the stock was down, from the super high that it got to at the $8.30, and let's also talk about the short squeeze. Okay, the insane short squeeze. I mean, guys, I was salivating when I checked the short squeeze, short interest change, and it was just, I was like, oh my god, these guys are in a ride. Okay, if of course we follow through and we can actually get a short squeeze. Okay, so first let's talk about why the stock dropped from the $8.30. So right now, if you guys don't know, in the growth sector, okay, in the growth sector, we are in a recovery phase. Okay, we were in a bear market previously due to inflation scares and the hedge funds shorting and everything. Okay, institutions shorting and everything. Okay, we were in a bear market, and if you guys look, since mid-February, almost all your favorite stocks, if you only invest in the growth sector, of course, which is not a good thing. Okay, you should be diversified. You should have a diversified portfolio. Most of the stocks in the growth sector are down since mid-February due to inflation scares and hedge funds. Okay, so right now, what happens when you're in a situation where we're in right now, people look at catalysts as a way to exit their position. Okay, they don't look at catalysts as a way to buy more stock. They look at it as a way to exit and get the cash and maybe put it into stocks that haven't yet recovered. Okay, or maybe lower their average in other stocks, or maybe buy stocks that have, like I said literally 2 seconds ago, have still not recovered. Okay, so that's why we're kind of seeing this a little bit of sell-off from all-time highs of $8.30. But does that mean that it's going to just keep going down? No, I don't think so. I think that would be absolutely wrong to estimate that something like that, it would just keep going down. Okay, so I don't believe that it's going to keep going down. Now, let's talk about the big deal, baby, the short interest. Okay, so the short interest right now, it has changed 470%. 470%. That is insane, guys. That is insane. That means this stock could basically almost quadruple in price if a short squeeze happens. Okay, if we follow through with a short squeeze, it could possibly hit the 6 times 4, that's 24. So 24, it could hit $24. All right, now this data is from Ortex. Okay, Ortex is a very good screener, right? It's a very good stock screener, and the only thing regarding Ortex that I don't like is how much they cost. Okay, but lucky for you guys, I got the price covered down. Okay, I got it. Okay, I paid the yearly fee of $500 or however much it was, so you guys can get this good information. With that being said, guys, smash the like button. Okay, I'm not done yet. First of all, I'm not done yet, so don't leave. But for now, just smash the like button so more people get to understand the short squeeze that could happen with this stock, okay? And less people sell, because at the end of the day, the way shorting works is that you need to hold, okay? You need to hold your position, so when the people that shorted try to cover their position, they can buy your stock at a cheaper price, right? That's how it works. That's how short squeezes are made. Okay? So like this button so you get like this video so it gets shared to more people who hold ENTX, so they can hold their position, and the short squeeze we can actually follow through with this short squeeze. Okay, with that being said, guys, everything on the channel I come up with, no, don't leave yet, man. I just talk so much about ENTX. Let me tell you a little bit about me. Okay, so every day, guys, on this channel I come up with new content regarding finance, the stock market, and the financial world. Okay, we cover everything: entertainment, education, news, you name it, we got it. We're like HBO of finance. Okay, so with that being said, if this is the content that you guys like, okay, you're at the right place. Okay, congratulations, you found the needle in the haystack. You found the one channel that's got it all, baby. Okay, so with that being said, guys, smash the subscribe button, subscribe. Okay, stay a while. The likes I like, the subscribes I love. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Money Talk out. Happy investing.